Alright you guys, so I was experiencing the directional control knob on my Jeep Wrangler. It was unresponsive. So whenever I would turn it, no matter what, the only direction it would blow was out of the passenger floorboard. So I didn't want to jump the gun and assume that there was a broken cable, because I didn't think that was the case. So I pulled out my glove box. If you pull the glove box out, it's much easier to do than pulling off this the center console right here. And no matter what, if the cable's broken, all of it's gonna have to come off. So either way, this is a great first step in hoping that this can solve your problem. As you can see right here, this clip right there, in my case, that had came off of its plastic holder. And once that comes off, the cable moves freely and it will not rotate the doorknob. As you can see right there, it tried popping off again. So all you guys have to do is reattach that clip, and if it does not reattach, you can possibly bend it, and if not, you have to replace the cable. And this cable is a very simple replace. I believe there are 4 or 6 bolts holding this together. Most of it is clips. You just pop this off, run the cable through, and hook it to the knob. Very simple.